Something that I like to have all the time when I'm kicking back, parked up on a beach somewhere, because it's beautiful, the setting, the sun, even though the sun's not on me at the moment because it's not good for the lighting, but I'm set up here and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna cook up some porridge, nice and simple. Eat at any good morning, any good way to start the day is having some brunch. Not brekkie. I'll sort of wait till about 10 o'clock, have a serve, have a coffee, and get myself some brekkie into me. Now, I've had a few people message me and they go, Shawnee, start putting up a couple of cooking things of you cooking basically from that. That's all I'm working with. As you can see here, basically got my whole kitchen here. So I'll probably end up using these little saucepans to get my porridge underway, because porridge is good. Ah! Get yourself a saucepan. Fill her up. I'm a big fan getting everything set up. Get your saucepan. Need a little bit of this coconut yogurt. Back. And strawberries. Usually just chuck all my shit in the bin. And the key, fucking do your prep first, get it all right, and then you can just get it all going at the very end. First, even though it's only porridge, it's a pretty simple starter. Bowl. Strawberries. Get your prep work done. Chuck it in there. Strawberries, blueberries, fucking boom. In that, bang. Now, while that's all going on, she's boiling up. Oh yeah, beach behind there. Everyone's a bit different, right? Shit. Some people like putting honey. For me, it's the date syrup, mate. Date syrup. Date syrup. Date. Date. Now. Don't let it do this. Keep it low. Not boiling like too hard out. Give it a bit of a... Yep, she's getting thick. Blueberries and strawberry. Community crunchy peanut butter. See, she's almost ready. Now, usually I have some bananas, but I ate the last one last night. I fucked up. What I got going for me out here. Now, it's time to plate up, bowl up, you know what I mean? I'm using this little thing here. Oh, you know why it's so good? Because you can fucking hold it. I like that. Anyway, you can just take it on the beach, which I'm gonna do. Spoon her in. Oh yeah, stuff on there. Bit of date syrup. Crunchy peanut butter. Oh. Yes, I double dipped. It's fine, it's just me here. It's a coconut yogurt. Stop. That's basically it. Always have a bit of a clean. Usually have goes in there. Nice and simple. Porridge right on the beach. Time to go eat it. Yeah. So I'm about to eat it in my lounge room.
I won't let you down, but I feel you slipping away from me, and I'll take care of you. I won't make a sound.
That's it. Basically, brekkie with me, parked up in Bronte, sitting back here, enjoying a quick little meal. Tastes good. Tastes fucking great. Morning with me. Get here.
Standing right here in front of you, in the flesh, yeah, you know it's real. 'Cause I ain't transparent, you see.